This is Word the Street with your host, Uncle Nick. I'm the bipolar, biracial bastard, the motherfucking lone wolf, the black Italian stallion. Uncle Nick is here to do motherfucking work, and if you don't know, you better ask somebody. The niggas, the bitches, the ladies, the gents, the rats, the cats, the motherfucking dogs, the babies, the aliens, the reptiles, the motherfucking reptilians. Ask them all. Uncle Nick is down for to come up in a New York minute, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Stop fucking playing with me. I'm Sicilian, but I'm not a square. You know what I mean? Bada bang, bada boom, boom, boom. Motherfuckers. Let's get this shit poppin'. Shout out the Wolfpack. Shout out everybody in the comment section. All the new subscribers, all the old subscribers. Everybody hitting that motherfucking notification button. And most of all, everybody that donates to the motherfucking show. You know what I mean? Shout out to y'all motherfuckers. Drip, drip, drip fills the bucket, bitch. You know what time it is, you know what I mean? But without further ado, further delay, let's get into this motherfucking shit and let's get it poppin'. Let's go. But yo, this is the other thing that I wanted to ask you. I always hear a lot of brothers mention like Pumpkin, Boosting Billy, Boosting Kev.
Nigga Pumpkin, the nigga Pumpkin. You know what I mean? Light skinned nigga from the hood, you know what
Speak up a little bit, Disco, because you might be low.
Nigga Pumpkin, light skinned homie from the hood. Knew him, grew up with his family, like from the Garvey, you know what I mean? So everybody grew up together. He like my brother, them niggas age, you know what I mean? So, but he started getting the fly nigga. He was spoil you nigga, you know what I mean? One of them niggas get everything, mother buy him everything. This nigga's in the fly shit from young niggas. So he started stealing. He was a casual nigga. Nigga had a button up on. He go do his 1-2. Nigga go do it by himself, you know what I mean? P-Funk, you know what I mean? Fly nigga from the hood, you know what I mean? Everybody love him. Everybody love him.
That was my dude, man. That was my dude, man.
Bloomies, Macy's, high school days.
He started my man.
Take your shit like there was no tomorrow.
Yeah, God rest his soul, man. P, man.
So that was just the MO every day.
Yeah, man.
Bang, 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 bang.
Rest in peace, Boosting.
I heard Raglo say, I walk in the store and steal 99-cent pretzels. All types of shit.
My nigga B.BiLL, listen.
Just
Wait,
because.
tell
Dead
another thing
cat.
about Pumpkin, man.
Oh, part of it,
Pumpkin also started a like we had jokes, so we used to make up little crews within the crew. So he started up a little crew called a Tribe Called Gas. because he had this system in AMS downtown, and he used to kill a guest section.
Okay.
He had some system, man. He used to kill a guest section downtown, man. So he kept us flushing the guests, you know what I mean, and shit like that. So he was like, yeah, you know what? I'm starting a little crew, Tribe Called Gas, like, you know what I'm saying? We also had a little crew within the crew, Steam Team, you know what I mean?
Okay.
That was a bunch of us. That was a bunch of us that, you know, they didn't wait. They was like, yeah, we're gonna do it this way and do it that way. Then when we get to the spot, they just, you know what I'm saying? They didn't give a fuck. Like,
you
Shout out
get the
to
adrenaline
Steam
rush.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Steam team.
But on to the homie Boosting Billy though, man.
Yo, shout out to Hemlo, Clever One, the Booze Brothers, all my Philly niggas doing it big in North Philly or Southwest Philly, all around. Yeah, y'all fuck with me heavy. And shout out to my man Ahmad. He be donating to the show.
What it
shout
is,
out to
brother
you, son.
Low?
Peace. Yeah, and B.BiLL, man, he was like, I don't know, man.
He's one of the illest.
He was legendary because
For how niggas
he
styling.
just like the legend of B.BiLL is more than boosting, even though he was like one of the greatest boosters I ever know. I'll give him that. But his legend is more than that.
Talk to him, Reese.
Like, I know a story. We in the city, we getting busy, right? Some reason police come, we gotta hit the tracks, man. So we hit the tracks, everybody go through, we get through, we
For
come
those
out.
that don't know, hold on, pardon me. That's the subway where you literally jump off the fucking, you know what I mean, the platform, and you start running through the subway. Third rail, all that shit.
Any given time.
Because some people, they're going to watch this and they don't know what that means.
Yeah, the train tracks under the subway. So, and that's peace to, you know, the graffiti writers, Uncle
niggas.
Diz, B.BiLL. That's how we navigated the tunnels. So we go through the tunnels, we get away. We come out the tunnel. We look at Boost and Billy's sneaker. All of this part of his sneaker is burnt off.
Oh, he hit the...
Somehow, he must have grazed the third round, wasn't electrocuted, but piece of his sneaker was burnt.
The greatest to do it.
This is the legend
he was wearing.
of Boost and Billy. That's why we call him Cat Mike.
That nigga was
He'll
wearing
just
some
disappear.
next Gore-Tex shit.
And he'll be paid, and a bunch of dudes will get knocked, and he'll be
shit was
home. Like,
shot-proof.
that's more. That's the legend
Oh,
of
he
Boost and
was
Billy,
just...
man.
He was the Houdini of this shit to a degree.
Definitely. Cat
Now you
Mike.
see me, now you
Cat
know.
Mike, man.
Got you.
He was ill, man. Ill, man.
Cat
Kind
Mike,
of dude,
rest in
kind of dude. You go to his crib, like we all G'ing, like you know, we going on group meons and that, but obviously he doing his own thing. You go to his crib, man, he had like garbage bags, and you like, what is this? I said, how many of these you got? Like, what the fuck? And he was doing it on another level, man. He was doing it on another level, man.
He was a cool
And boosting Kev.
I ain't really jammed with him. I met him
Oh, you didn't know him?
a couple of times, but
Okay.
I never.
I got a funny story, but I'm gonna let my nigga Vic Lipshit start that story. My PJC nigga, he was in Century 21 and shit got real. I went in the bag, was like, yo, and you know what I'm saying? But I let other people tell their stories and shit like that.
Salute to the Lizzie bags, because that
Definitely.
shit changed the game right there.
Definitely.
Alarm-proof bags. Like, we learned how to make them shits. Like,
What do you mean? Talk about that.
alarm-proof bags. Like, we used to make bags that we used
the
to
alarm-
go boosting with
You don't
alarms
gotta
and all
crack the
that.
alarm no more because once
We
you
don't have to
stuff
worry
it in the
about
bag,
alarms.
the alarm is not gonna ring.
I used to have
We
I
ain't
used to
gonna
have
go into
Hold on,
Lizzie
this
bags.
doesn't make sense to me.
This
Explain
big.
that one more time.
All right,
You ain't gotta go into details on that.
No,
one.
no.
Put it like this.
My niggas is still rocking
we
that.
made a bag.
At niggas that
The
they put
gist
it on
of it,
Stress magazine.
the gist of it is this. We made a bag. We used to make the bag. Peace out to Beck Live. That was the first cat
Yeah,
I
shout out
know
to Beck.
that made a Lizzie bag. That's where I found it from. That's the first dude I know that had a Lizzie bag. Beck Live. He showed me how to make a Lizzie bag. But we used to make it out of comforter bags. Like, so, cause you know, comforter bag is humongous.
Yeah.
So we make the
You wanna
Lizzie
fit
bag
in
out of
shit?
comforter bag. And when you make the bag, once you stuff the bag and you close it up, when you go through the alarm can't
Oh
read the Lizzie.
shit. So basically,
blocks the
yo,
alarm.
y'all see now.
You didn't know
Hold
for
on.
that?
No.
Yeah.
Let me tell you this, right? I was in jail one day, right? And these fucking crackheads, we had one match. These fucking crackheads split the match in half. And this motherfucker's hands was like, he smoked so much crack, that shit was like a flint and all that. He was just like, it was like a magician. He just went, and it was
Shit,
fire.
man.
He's like, light it up. And
Nah, but they caught
then he
on.
slid the other
They
match.
caught
No,
on,
what I'm
and
talking
they put
about, when
alarms
you're
and
put in
everything.
poverty,
And we learned how to
and
fucking
you gotta do
circumvent
something.
that.
Ingenuity, the hood ingenuity. Nobody's smarter than the hood. Remember when niggas started bending the Metro card wrist? I'm like,
yeah.
who thought about bending it?
Crackheads, they had the time to do it.
Crackhead.
Who knew that would break the
Crackhead,
system?
that's why shout
There
out
would
to
be
the
mad
crackheads.
little niggas like this all
Shout
day.
out to the
$2,
crackheads.
$2, $1 swipe.
And,
Right or
swipe,
wrong?
that
And
extra
you be
swipe.
like, yo, how you swiping, man, niggas? But and then they would have a book of cards and they just pull out the other one
Shout
with
out
the
to the
bend.
crackheads.
Yo, and another cat, man.
Niggas be stealing
Rest
their
in
car
peace,
parts.
Marco Polo, man.
Yeah, talk about
That
everybody.
was my dude, man. Marco Polo was another prolific booster, man. You know what I'm
Bro,
saying?
R.I.P.
That was another prolific booster, man.
Good
You know what I'm
dude,
saying?
good-hearted dude.
Good
You know what I mean? He
dude,
was
man.
no
He
street
was really
nigga.
prolific in this boosting
He get
game,
that
man.
money. You get that money. He's a fly polo nigga.
Yeah,
you know what I
man.
mean?
He
From the
took
Garvey.
paper,
You know what I
man.
mean?
I think when
And
I
you know,
did
he
the joint with
was
Rudy,
real ass nigga.
Rudy was brought him up.
And now that-
This is the other thing. When y'all started realizing that it's niggas in Germany, Japan, Australia,
Shout
it's
out to
niggas
all
all
the
around the
When
world.
I
Who
came
mixed
home in
Universal?
'97, when I came home in '97,
Like, how did that make you
Shout out
feel?
to
I
too?
see how my homie, you
Those are
know,
my bros
I see
right
how
The
my
Paris Polo Club, yo.
my
shout out my
brothers-
nigga. Yo,
listen,
this
my brothers rapping. My brothers Thurston Howard the Third and motherfucking Racklow. These niggas rapping. They doing shows. So I'm going
Okay.
with these niggas. So I'm just seeing like, yo, This nigga came all the way from motherfucking over there to come to the barbecue. You know what I mean?
New Zealand,
Niggas be
peace
coming
to
from
New
everywhere to come to the
Zealand.
barbecue.
Japan.
They be pulling up just to come
I saw
fuck
the
niggas.
Japanese nigga with the
come
motorcycle
walk up on you, nigga.
with the whole
Oh,
shit.
Logos in the deuce. He won.
And I was, when I did, shout out Thursday Had a Third. He came through and he did the interview with me. And he's like, yo, Japan, they do it on some New York shit.
Yeah, nigga,
They
laid it out.
Word
They
thirst, man.
laid it out for my
pronounce
brother.
it. Bro.
I mean, I ain't gonna say, you know what I mean? But
No, but then he
Yeah.
told me that
First.
They laid
Japan
it
does
out
it on
for
some
him.
New York shit. They
they
do
laid
it
it out
official.
for him out
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
You know what I
yeah.
mean? Nigga had
So
the-
so did that make you
Yeah,
feel
shout
like,
out
yo,
to Prince of
even
the
though
Days.
we don't maybe get the invite to collaborate with this or that,
We do though.
no. What I mean when he was talking about maybe a line is coming out and they ask for the input and be like, yo,
Right.
brothers, come together.
Right.
And what do y'all think about this idea or
Consult.
this? Consult.
No, they got to.
You know what I'm saying? But when they see the universal effect, and they're like, yo, damn.
That's
The
what
dudes
amazed
be,
me.
they be in the cut. Like we
These
be in
brothers
the
are not buying Ralph Lauren because of Ralph Lauren. They're buying it because of how you do it.
There
Exactly.
you go.
Listen,
And that's what they
Because
need to
if
recognize. And get us
Lacoste,
involved.
there's niggas that's
Get us
Lacoste out.
involved.
And they
There's
taking
other
the
people.
pieces we
yo,
rock.
next week at the barbecue, they gonna have representatives out there just lurking around, dressed in some other shit, watching how niggas dressed out there at the barbecue next week. Yeah, every time we got an event, they send their spies out to see how niggas.
Oh,
dress
so
their
that's
shit.
how it goes
No, why
down?
is Ralph doing the 50
When
They
Thirst,
been
Thirst
jamming.
had the book release.
They
Why they
been,
doing the retro?
they been doing that
P-Wings
shit.
and all that?
They been doing
Thirst had the
that.
book release. You know what I'm saying?
Why
Okay.
they
We
doing
see
the
people that was
P-Wings,
like, who
the
the
invisible
fuck
hurdles,
that? Like,
the
Oh, so
probably
they
was-
cross flags.
Yeah, I
and
believe
all
so
that.
because
been
guess
doing
what? After that,
They ain't been
2
doing that.
years later, 3 years later, now
They
y'all
ain't been
bringing
doing
back out
that. They doing it
stadiums
now.
and big flags and P-Wings and
After the
K-Swiss.
low light stage.
Hold on, let me figure out how to channel three
There was,
conversations at once.
There was
Because
Let me
They
just
did.
let that rock organically.
That low life
Let me not
brand.
interject. Y'all just do y'all shit.
Mass
How about I
Appeal.
step off for a minute?
Mass
Y'all do
Appeal
y'all
did.
thing.
I was locked up for that. Mass Appeal did a documentary about what was it? Polo? No, it was horsepower. It was called horsepower, right?
Complex.
All the pieces that we coveted
Complex and
at the day,
Mansfield,
they came back with all that. Why? Because niggas in the streets made that popular. You know what I'm saying? Because polo wasn't made for us.
Nope.
Never was.
Polo was made for people, rich people, and
That
like
actually went to polo games.
those people that were in Wall Street.
That actually
the
went to
financial-
polo
ski
games.
trips.
Those, when I was growing up, the people that brought the horses and all that was the financial people, Wall Street and all that.
This shit ain't about stealing. This shit ain't
Yeah.
about stealing at all right here. This whole shit ain't
No,
about
but we
stealing.
have to no.
But no. But we could reflect on
Yeah, but we have to respect
what
the
got us
fact
to this
of-
day.
yeah.
Like what got to this day. Like
Yeah.
like we said when we talk, we hang on the Deuce. When we go to Deuce, we wasn't boosting shit. We used to be just out there on fucking Times Square like this, where they take the pictures at, mobbed up like this. You know what I mean? Cause we used to have beef with the dudes from Jersey back in the days.
It was always
we
like
used to go
that,
to
yeah.
Sensation.
We're not
This
gonna
used to be
talk about
crazy.
sensations.
You know what I mean? But shout out to all of them. But shit was crazy back in the days. Going on 42nd Street, Times Square. You know what I mean?
That's when I
it
started
goes
calling y'all
down
the
now.
Polo Militia,
Yo,
because
we
I
used
was
to
a
be-
little
We used to be
kid.
right across the street by Playland.
And we walking with
watch
my
niggas go
father,
take
and I
the-
would see y'all.
Yo,
Well,
and
maybe
the
not
roof.
y'all, but I would see pockets of
none.
They
people.
had that recruitment. They had that recruitment center right there on the corner.
Army shit.
Nigga, that roof was full of fake cables. Like, snatch a nigga cable, like, this shit is some fucking silver. Throw that shit on the roof. We used to wild out in Times Square. We used to wild out in Times Square. You know what I mean?
No,
Had the homies
stealing
from the
was
Bronx, my
a
nigga
part
Chris
of it,
and
but
them
I guess
niggas.
we've elevated to where we have
Now, but it started
A- a-
out
a-
taken.
Yeah, and we started out taking, but now, like I said, you see how everybody's here right now? We did a PJC Green Day. My man seen what we
Giving
did.
back.
Yo,
Cleaned up the hood.
this is
Now
what
we
we
can do
about
that.
right now.
now we could do that.
Yeah.
I came home in 1997.
But don't get it twisted. Niggas will still fucking flip your pancake. But you know what I'm saying?
I came over
Like,
in 1987, right?
Niggas, it's
when
about
I came
the
over in
positivity.
1987, all my friends that we used to be doing shit, niggas was doing something else. They said, nah, we ain't doing that shit. So I had to, you know what I mean? When your fucking niggas that you used to do this shit with on a different
well, when
channel,
everybody grows up,
We had to open
and
our
you the
minds.
one that's still over there,
So
like, yo,
you
son,
you
yo, son, come
motherfucking
on.
right. You
Wow.
motherfucking right.
Salute
Word
the
up.
real.
And that's the
Well,
shit
that's
we
when you
on.
know you have family, and that's a real person that's a part of the family. Because that, hold on, I want to talk about something real quick. You'll have one person that comes in, and they want to fuck everything up.
Yeah, you always got that. You always got
So
that.
that'll be that person that'll be like,
I need,
nah,
to, I need
son,
to speak on that.
actually talk about
I
it.
need to,
But
I need to speak
then
on
you
that.
also got the people that respect the culture.
That's
I
a
need to
great
speak
topic.
on
No,
that.
no, but there's
And
always
we
those
respect
one or
you,
two.
right.
Let some build. Let some build.
Let them talk.
It's real simple. There's only two things in this world of ours that you got to adhere to. That's respect and protocol. Respect tradition, follow protocol.
Protocol. Wow. Okay.
There's a lot of wannabes out there. There's tons of them. Believe me when I tell you this. The wheel is rolling, the ball is in play. We about to start regulating and banning all of these wannabes.
Yes.
I'll drink to that.
And
Salute.
salute. That's what it is. And I think we'll end it on that note. You know what I'm saying? Double L's, Wolfpack, Ajax.
Powerful, bro.
Can't have
Let's
shit
get it.
Shout out to
without
Uncle
love.
Nick. Shout out to Uncle Nick for giving niggas this opportunity. Come
Yo,
and spit they
Uncle
spit.
Disco
It's
and
all
Uncle
love.
Nick in the
Love and
motherfucking
loyalty in
house.
the building, yo.
You
We
know
out
what it
here,
is.
man. We
From
showing
Lower
love.
East Side to
We on the lowest, we
Brownsville.
in the Lower East
Team
Side to
Low.
Brownsville.
Shout out
We out
Uncle
here,
Nick,
man.
We
nigga.
out
Shout
here.
out Uncle Nick,
So
nigga.
love.
Love and
Team
loyalty.
Uncle Nick.
Let's get
Custom
it.
headbands.
Put the mouse up.
Custom headbands.
Yo, BBC, shout out to BBC, you heard?
Ah, let's get it.